The prophecy of Jacob and Nathan is for Mount Tambora to erupt in 2018. But Jake isn't just a volcano boy, he's also a weather boy. His last name, Wetterling, means weather child. And the boy who is the psychic reflection of Jacob and Nathan is currently 15 years old, which just happens to be the temperature right now in Canberra, 15 degrees Celsius. And Nathan, his life ended on the 7th of February 2009 in Australia's worst ever bushfire disaster, Black Saturday. And that is the wind speed right now in Melbourne and Adelaide, 7 kilometres per hour. And it was near Melbourne that Nathan died, a place called Kinglake West. And the mirror boy, the boy who is the psychic reflection of Jake and Nathan, who is 15 years old, he is actually a Christian, as was Jacob. I don't know about Nathan, but I know Jake was, and his mirror boy is, and the word Christian has a value of 101. 101. But Christian in a good way, because we all know there's a lot of people who call themselves Christians who are, in some cases, extraordinarily bad, and a good example of that would be Vladimir Putin. He calls himself a Christian, but does some pretty worse than questionable things, you might say. Another thing is something that happened on the Mirror Boy's birthday last year. Hurricane Jose. Tropical Storm Jose became Hurricane Jose on the Mirror Boy's birthday, which is the 6th of September. And Hurricane Jose has a value of 146. Temperature right now in Melbourne is 14.6 degrees. Like I said, Nathan died on the 7th. Jake was 11 when he died, and Jake was born on the 17th. Friday, the 17th of February, 1978. Jake was born on the 17th. Nathan was born on Friday, the 24th of November, 1995. Perth right now has a temperature of 19.6. Turn 9 on its head and you get 6. That's a quote from The Dark Tower by Stephen King. The 6th of the 9th is the Mirror Boy's birthday. And it was on his birthday last year that we saw Hurricane Jose form in the Atlantic. Tomorrow is the 17th. Today is Monday, the 16th of April, 2018. If we go to Sumbawa in Indonesia, right now it's 12 minutes past 8 p.m. Monday, 16th of April, 2018. And it was on Monday, the 10th of April, 1815, that Mount Tambora last erupted. Or that was the date when it really blew its top. It actually continued erupting for several months, or for a few months after that. But it really blew its top on Monday, the 10th of April, 1815. The eruption continued for a few months, and it hasn't erupted again since then. It was actually the biggest eruption in recorded history. Now, Nathan was 13 when he died. That is Nathan Breeze, 13-year-old boy from Kinglake West. Also a Northern Territorian, not just a Victorian, not just a Northern Territorian, but both. 13-year-old Nathan Breeze. Jake's life path number is 8. And 2 8s are 16, the age that Jake and Nathan's mirror boy is turning in 2018. So Australia has had strange weather of late. Very strange. Here we've got some reflections in winds and temperatures and whatnot that I've just mentioned. But it's April and we've just had a big fire in Sydney in August. It's not the only strange weather that's happening around the world. Wildfire, blizzards, severe weather. Take your pick for massive spring storm. This is April 13, 2018. And this is in America, where there's also fires burning in Oklahoma. And this photo is from April 12. Keeping in mind that Oklahoma is about 15 hours behind New South Wales, where I live. So destructive wildfires are also raging in the Great Plains and the prairie in America. 100,000 acres scorched from Thursday into Friday. Clusters of fast-growing fire in Oklahoma. And you can see these fires from space. 15,000 more acres consumed on top of the 100,000 acres overnight. It's wild weather, to say the least. And on top of that, this is a picture of the storm. And the Weather Channel has given this storm a name, Xanto. The Weather Channel in America tends to give names to their bigger storms. This one's an unusual one. It combines a tornado threat with a wildfire threat, severe thunderstorms, which go hand in hand with the tornado threat. So you've got tornado threat, wildfire threat, and blizzards as well. Winter hasn't left the building yet. So yeah, I'm not going to read it all or anything, but safe to say this is a pretty big event, big storm, dubbed Xanto. So, today is Monday the 16th of April 2018, and it's 159 days from today until Saturday the 22nd of September 2018, a date that Jake and Nathan are drawing our attention to for reasons that I guess we will know when that date comes. So, Xanto, this rather interesting storm in the US with fires, tornadoes, and snow, blizzards, all in the mix. Well, in Australia, Sydney has had a fire, a very unusual fire for this time of year, and we still have 15 degrees in Canberra, but now we have a 19 km/h wind, and 19 is the keystone number in The Dark Tower by Stephen King. And the wind has gone in Melbourne. It's now calm. So, what's our time? 8:18 p.m. in Sumbawa. So, today is 203 years and 6 days after the big eruption of Mount Tambora. And we're 159 days away from this date here. Saturday, 22nd of September 2018. William Sumbawa. So, this date is 16 days after the Miraboy's birthday. William Sumbawa, volcanic Sumbawa, molten Sumbawa, hot boy Satans, the young teen, bad young demons, rising warmth, molten lava teen. I'm Samuel Delaney. Nathan's the bad boy. Nathan David Breeze. Nathan David Breeze equals 159. The number of days between today and Saturday, the 22nd of September 2018. 16 days after the Miraboy's 16th birthday. Nathan's volcano. Young Nathan's good eruption. 1 plus 5 plus 9 is 15. Face equals 15. Nathan David Breeze equals 159. Who turned 15 on Wednesday, 6th of September 2017? 1 plus 5 is 6. 6. June is the 6th month. 15 and 9. Nathan David Breeze equals 159. And 15 plus 9 is 24. Nathan was born on Friday, 24th of November, 1995. I am a kid, bad lad. X. 24th letter of the alphabet. 2 plus 4 is 6. Bad boys. Bad breeze. 2 times 4 is 8. Who is aged 8? Who turns 9 on Sunday, 24th of June, 2018? A date that is 74 days before the Miraboy's birthday. Joshua equals 74. Satan's cross. Xanto equals 74. Xanto. The name they've given to the storm. Xanto. Spring storm dubbed Xanto by the Weather Channel. And it's now 8:22 p.m. Jacob died on the 22nd, and Nathan reckons there's going to be triplet signs, starting with twin signs on the 22nd. Twin signs on the 22nd of April, and then a third sign by the 27th. And that will be his sign for Jake's prediction of Mount Tambora to erupt in 2018. Twins here, and a triplet by my birthday, which is Friday the 27th. So, 74, the number of days between Samuel's birthday and William's birthday. Joshua, Satan's cross, Xanto. The brat equals 74. The brat. The lava equals 69. Red Rain, 69. Red rain of blood, blood of the child, the real message of evil snakes. Boy Jake Chambers equals 69. 6 and 9 is 15. Who turned 15 on the 6th of the 9th, 2017? That would be the Mirror Boy of Nathan and Jake. John Jake Chambers is another Mirror Boy of Jake. A fictional boy. The character in The Dark Tower by Stephen King. Satan's Boy Jake equals 143. Young Boys, Torture and Bad Blood of Joshua. Evil cross of The Dead Boy is God. Boys Volcano equals 143. 14 and 3, 17. Lad, 17, and Jake was born on Friday, the 17th of February, 1978. Jake was born on a Friday, Nathan was born on a Friday. Their mirror boy, William, was born on a Friday. Who turned 17 on Friday, 6th of September 2019. Handsome boy named William. Real hot painful molten volcanic hot lava. Hellboy. 7 plus 9 is 16. Who turned 16 on Wednesday? Actually, it's Thursday. It was Wednesday last year. Thursday. Maybe not so many capital letters. Thursday, the 6th of September 2018. William's 16th birthday is 79 days before Nathan's 23rd birthday, which is interesting because that's the value of the name William. 79. That's the number of days separating William's birthday from Nathan's birthday on the 24th of November. Jake. Jake, the molten boy. The Lava Boy. Nathan Breeze from Australia. Yes, that's the prophecy of the boys. It's for Mount Tambora on the island of Sumbawa in Indonesia to erupt again in 2018. A sign for the world. A sign to make the world realize that it's really important that you do stand up against bad people who pose as good people. If Vladimir Putin wants to stand by a murderous dictator like Assad in Syria, people need to let him know it's not okay. It's not okay to stand by someone like that. I've said all along that Jake and Nathan's prediction, their prophecy, is a prophecy against religious and political hypocrisy, and it's a prophecy against totalitarianism, and it's a prophecy against authoritarianism. Jake equals 27. Red equals 27. Code equals 27. And Jake's life path number is 8. It's Monday the 16th of April 2018. Mount Tambora is going to erupt this year. That's Jake's and Nathan's prophecy. It's a sign with a message. It's a prophecy with a reason. today, remember, Nathan Breeze was a boy who died in Australia's worst firestorm disaster. Black Saturday. The perfect firestorm is how they described the firestorm in which Nathan died, along with his sisters and his mother. His neighbours, they all died together. Nathan David Breeze equals 159. And today is 159 days before Saturday, the 22nd of September, 2018. Like I said, Jake died on the 22nd of October. Nathan died on the 7th of February. The 7th of February, the 22nd of October. The animal that I connect to Jake and Nathan is the eagle, and eagle equals 30. Christian, angel, eagle. 19, the keystone number in the Dark Tower. And the Mirror Boy's name has a value of 199. William's full name has a value of 199. So now you know the prophecy of Jacob Wethling and Nathan Breeze. It's for Mount Tambora on the island of Sumbawa in Indonesia. It is now 8:30 p.m. Monday, 16th of April, 2018. And in 159 days from now, it will be Saturday, the 22nd of September. Remember what I said about the triplets, Nathan's triplets, between Sunday, the 22nd of April, which is a reflection of the 22nd of October, and Friday, the 27th of April, which is my birthday. Jacob equals 31. Jake's life path number is 8. It's now 8:31 on Monday, 16th of April 2018, in Sumbawa, Indonesia. Here it's 10:31 p.m. Have faith, Josh 10:9:45. The time 9:45 could relate to this prophecy of Jacob Wetterling and Nathan Breeze. A boy from Minnesota and a boy from Northern Territory and Victoria in Australia. Nathan David Breeze.